Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Infiniti airbag control module, and here is the part number as you see. And this is for Nissan and Infiniti, all the same. The part number could be for Nissan, could be for Infiniti. And what happened is it have an accident and it have a crash data. I already read and reset the crash data on this computer, but let's go together and see what happened. As soon as the accident happened, this is considered like a black box in the airplane. The functionality of the system will work, but it will be corrupted with the event data, what happened, like a camera register it and write it down. So the module will not work. Most of the car up to 20, most of the Nissan and Infiniti, they have this kind of airbag control module. And in this one here, this is the chip, like they have like 3 chips, but this one here and the one on the left, they are similar. I try to read and write it by using this clip. It doesn't give me the reading correctly. Actually, I have a lot of adapters here. You see, I have one clips here. And I have others one for if I need to write the computer for Toyota. Olders one, because if you lose the key, you have to clear the memory completely from the computer to register it again. I'm using CarProc. CarProc, they change now from yearly subscription to yearly subscription or daily subscription. They don't care about what machine you have there. As long as you pay their subscription, you use it a day for $30. You can use it as long as you want. Program what they have. They don't have everything, but they are good for all their services. Now I try to put the clip, it doesn't work, so I have something called mini clips, and those mini clips is available from Easy Hook, kind of pricey one, like $10. But the same thing you can get it maybe from Alibaba or another. Maybe you will get it for less than that, but not the same quality, but they are working too. Now what I did is I went there and I clip the same pin that's coming. I clip it directly. Actually, it doesn't require for 9356. It doesn't require the 2 pin on the right side, because the numbers from here, you see this small dot. This is small dot. This is RL66, but this is 9356 the same. So the first one on the here, this is the number 1, 2, 3, 4. It go like this, like magnetic north to left, like, just get what I say, you will understand. They start from here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can disconnect the 2 other side, still it will work. So okay, here when you come, you have to you gotta go to your CarProc app. If it is not here, or if the shortcut doesn't work, okay, look here, it's work here. So you need to agree first, and after you agree, you're gonna open the airbag. I don't want to open this one because this one 13, maybe 13.78. Let me see if I will be able to read it. Okay, this one was a subscription, but let me go for Nissan. I'm gonna go down to Nissan. Here's a Nissan direct. Okay, direct. Now I'm gonna put the numbers of the modules that I have it here, which is 98820 JK8. You see, when I come to JK8 ending with JK8 3 boy, it have Infiniti G25, G37, Infiniti G35, and this is the one on the top or the one on the bottom. At the number we have the one in the top and 93C66, and this one is kind of different, but it's okay. Now it's a press next to go. So I'm going to highlight it and then click and double click on it. Now you open a page. Now here we have a standard and we have program. Let me write a standard. We are now on the standard. So I'm going to say read. Let me show you when it's going to say. When you say read, you see now, start reading. It's reading, connecting. You see here. Now you see what it say. He read the part number and he said crash not found. And this is the Infiniti model product. Why is the crash not found? Because I already read it, that the first one is a crash found. So now if you just want to do anything, you just click clear. It will clear it and write it back again, and case closed. You have no problem. Now you click on programmer. You see that data is here. For example, when you read it first time, if you have a crash, it will say crash is available, and here it is. You're going to save it. You're going to click here, save it. I'm going to show you now. If you put Nissan, you see I already saved it here. The crash not found, that's the same software I have it. And the first one here, crash, this is when I read it first time. So I want to, after you click on clear, after you click on clear, it will clear it for you. You save it. So I save the crash data and everything is good. So now I'm going to close this one here. When you finish everything, you can disconnect it and you put it, everything will work fine. Now, just to be sure, if it is well, and there is, compare the one with the crash. I have this program they call HexCamp. Is for comparing files. The file you read it before, you see here you have file 1, file 2. So you click on file 1 and you go to Nissan and click the one that with the crash. You see this Nissan crash, click on it, then open. It opened this one. It has a crash data on it. To know how the crash data and where it is very simple. Go now to the second one, click on it, and then go here and put Nissan. You see crash not found. You remember? Crash not found. I'm gonna open it. The first one on the top is the one that with the crash. See? If you see that, and the bottom one is clean. You see here, he cleaned those information here, like 000, F2, ED, EEF, all this, they are not available. Those are crash. And the computer clean it out. After you clean it out, you write it back. That's where, if I read it again, it will be the same thing, and there is no any problem with that. So I made this one here just to be sure the connection, because with the clips, you don't know if it's connected or not. I have another tool, readers. You see this one also is one of the readers that I used to read with. And how you use it, you connect it through this one. This is another program also. It have a lot of functionality, this one. If you connect it here, you will be able to read it. But the beauty about this one, it will even tell you if the connector is good or is not. So let me just show you what I mean by, let me connect it. Stay with me. If you notice now, I connect this one here. I'm using this tool, MB Proc, or also a company. Now I'm gonna close it. Just want to show you this also here, Multiproc. Multiproc is gonna open, close it. I don't want to do nothing, but I'm gonna go here and I will choose 93C56. 93C56 here. I'm gonna open it. Now let me show you good about this one. This one, it will tell you if one of the pin is not well connected. So I'm going to see test pin. Okay, let me open this. You see now, we don't need the blue one, maybe their main source or ground or something, but look here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, they all well connected. We don't need 7 and 8. So that means even if I take the one here in this side, some module you need, you see this one, even if I take it out, it doesn't affect anything. You see there, I don't need it, but the two, I need them. Also, for example, if I move this one, look here, look this one. If I move one of this, I'm not going to move it now, but if I move it, it will become red there. For example, let me move this. You see, I move this one here. You see that I have 3 red dot. Let me put it back. I have 2 dots. This is good about this. It will tell you if the module is well connected or not. So now if I click, read it, you see it read everything for me. Even the J, you see like J8KB3, which is the part number that is here, is available there. Okay, everything is good here. So this is how you go, but this one will not clear it for you unless if you pay the subscription, but it show you where you save it. That's how those things work. And this one have more than one chips, you know, like it have a lot of chip that you can put it in and read them and check them and all this stuff. Hopefully this will help you a little bit. Nissan, Infiniti have thousands of computers that carrying the same thing, and some of them, the new one, you can use only the OBD2 to log in and program it with the OBD2. You don't need to do anything with it. Give us any idea if you have any question or anything, and again I thank all of you for supporting my channel, and let's go together learn about those stuff. Thank you very much. See you in another video.